friends, welcome to Rainy Days. Hi friends, today I am going to do a bangle organizer. For that, I'm going to use some paper rolls and a cardboard box. Let's see how it turns out. This is the cardboard box that I'm going to use, and first I'm going to paint it. Now I'll paint these rolls. I have painted these rolls. I don't think it's bright to me, so I thought I'll cover it with this bright paper. This one is way more better than the painted one. I like this a lot. It's much more brighter. Now I'm gonna stick these inside the box. This is how my bangle organizer has turned out, and I love how it has turned out. Hope you like my video. And please subscribe to my channel, and please give me a thumbs up, and see you all soon. Bye bye.